honestly, at this point, I'm not sure I'm ever going to start a vlog looking more presentable than this. I think this is just a regular now on this channel. But anyways, I had to start this vlog because I'm the biggest procrastinator that I know. I procrastinate a lot. I suppose I started this vlog since weekend. Weekend because I work 5 days a week, or more like 5 nights. I started working on Sunday, so Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. I'll be free Friday, Saturday, Sunday because that's it now. So I was supposed to start weekend. It was supposed to be, well, it still is. But I was supposed to start. It was supposed to be an Eid vlog because I'm going to be held up during the week. But no, I did not, and I did not vlog. Here we are now. Hopefully, I'm going to do my nails. Not hopefully, I want to do it. So hopefully, I'm going to do my nails. And when I talk about doing my nails, I mean like just do my. I've never had manicure done like in a salon. I always just trim my nails and just do the fade with myself. Anyways, the reason I've come on here, the reason why I've come on here, I'm so happy. So I went to work last night and just go back this morning. Like, I have to start this vlog this morning. If I don't start this morning, it's not going to be like, I want a proper Eid vlog. Do you get what I mean? Not just one, not just random clips from like Eid day or something like that. I want like a proper one. So I've started now, and yeah, things that I'm excited about. So I'm expecting an order. I made this like big girl purchase. Not like I'm big or anything, but I made this like big girl purchase, and it is coming today. I'm so happy. So I got a bag from Strath. Is it Strathberry? I think that's how it's pronounced. Strathberry. I got a bag from there. Oh my goodness. They had a sale last weekend, and I've always wanted like a bag. Okay, initially what I wanted was like a Pauline Paris bag. I don't know, like I will insert like a picture of what that bag looks like. Like I really loved the bag, but then I started seeing it on people, and I'm like, I'm not sure, like the size of it, the proportion of it. Like I'm actually very short, and I like small bags, and I don't like tiny bags, but I don't like big bags. So it's like that in between. And then I fell in love with this YSL bag. Again, I'm going to insert a picture of the bag, but I'm a broadcast. So I thought, let's look for alternatives. Then I don't know, I have this weird obsession that is happening now. Like I'm so in love with like luxury items and all of those things. I'm still broke. Like this is why I need to elevate my status. I'm still a broke ass, so I'm not supposed to be loving this kind of things. But anyways, I've been watching like loads of videos about luxury unboxing and everything. Like watching videos about MS bags. Like you don't even have money for you don't even have money for a belt on MS. Let's talk of a Birkin or a Kelly. Just by the way, a girl loves what she loves, so I'm just going to keep watching videos about that. So I found this Strathberry bag. So I'm going to buy that for Eid because I didn't get anything for like I didn't buy clothes for it. I'm just wearing like an old abaya that I have, just a plain black abaya. So I wanted something to spice it up. So I got the bag, and hopefully when they deliver it today, I'm not going to be full of regrets and feel like, why did I spend this money on this bag? Yes, I also made a couple of Zara orders because I needed shoes to wear for Eid. And unfortunately for me, they've delivered those pieces, but they've not delivered the shoe. So I have my order here. I'm going to do like an unboxing or something. I've already opened it and I've already seen what is inside. But I'm going to do like when they deliver my bag, they're delivering the bag today and the shoe tomorrow. So I'll see you guys. I'll unbox it on camera for you. I'm so excited for the bag. I hope it doesn't come and not meet my expectation. Do you get? That will be like my first luxury purchase. Welcome to this life, baby. It's me again, your resident sleep deprived favorite YouTuber. I'm back this morning again. I just got back from work as usual. Actually, I didn't just get back from work. I finished work like around 7:30. So before I get home, it will be like around 8. And this is now like almost 9. Yeah, past 9. Because I've been doing I've been doing facials. Like why does, I don't know if it's just me, my skin just act up out of the moon. Like I'm staying with my skincare routine. But tell me why a couple of days to eat, I'm having this, I don't even know if you can see it. There's this bomb right here. There's another one somewhere right here. Like normally I have spots and that's what I've been trying to tackle. But for like the past week it has been like, oh, at the barest minimum. But a day to eat, like fam, today's Thursday, tomorrow is Friday, eating on Saturday, everything wants to start acting up. I had to do a clay mask. But the reason why I'm here screams internally. That got delivered yesterday. And I'm going to pretend like I've not opened it for you guys. I've opened it and I've seen it. But let's just pretend that it is still new. Like I had to like open it properly so that it doesn't look like I've opened it. You get the drift. And let's feel the excitement through the camera together. Even though I have less than £50 in my account, I'm buying this expensive bag. But I'm gonna be fine. And it smells nice too. like. This has to be like the most messy, not the most, I mean, I've created worst vlogs. I make worst vlog, I know, but this is actually very messy. So, like, and you open it up. Screams in poverty. And it comes with this strap. And there's a bigger strap, like a canvas style. I'm not sure you guys can hear me. I hope you can hear me, because I cannot record this thing again. So this is the other strap. Can you see that? You can call me broke. I'm going to be happily broke. At least I'll know that I'm broke in happiness. Broke in happiness, if that's a thing. It is me. Zara still not delivered my shoes, but by the time it comes, and I didn't even get any clothes for Eid. It's just the bag and the shoe that's getting me so hyped. Let's just say because I love buying new things, but prepare to be sick of me. Broke in happiness. Less than £50 in my account. I woke up gorgeous. I'm a big mess. I'm supposed to be sleeping already, but you guys, I'm back. Tell me why I was so hyped about. I want to do manicure. I hope there's no food in my braces. I just had bread and I had no brush. But tell me when I finished my manicure and my nails were still looking like. Remember, I was thinking I could have done this, but I went ahead and paid £10 to do it. But actually, I'm not mad. After I creamed my hand, it's actually not looking bad. I just like that my nails are neat. And my Zara order came in. Let me just show you guys some of the things that I picked up. I'm going to show you my shoe, but first of all, let me show you this top. Oh, there's no way I can show you a full length view, but it's like a wrap top and state of the mirror. But this is what the top is looking like. I actually feel like it does not fit me. This is a size small. I wish I had an extra small, then I won't have this extra room here. But I love the trousers. They're the don't mind my people's. They're the popular like the Zara street leg trousers. This is the last trouser. Don't mind the stain on my mirror. This is the last one, and I think I actually like this one so much. Like, it has this small slit at the side. It's like a straight trouser, but it's not straight. It's a bit white at the bottom. But I love it. This is what it looks like. And to the final one, my shoes. I know you've all been waiting for that. My shoes. I'm so hyped. Such a bit. These are the two things that I'm hyped about: my shoes and my bag. And that's everything that I have to show you guys. If there's an award for the most messy vlog, like there are loads of interruptions. But anyways, if there's an award, as I was saying, if there's an award for messy vlog, I think I should take it. Crown me the queen of messy vlogs. Like, I watch a lot of YouTube videos and I'm thinking, how do these people, I'm sure their rooms and their lives are not that coordinated, but you just have to make everything look aesthetic for social media. I think I should put effort in that life too. My life should look a bit aesthetic. Not aesthetic, but at least a bit more coordinated. A bit more coordinated. My room is a mess right now, and I don't care. That's how it's going to be. I'm just going to clear my bed and sleep when I need to sleep. Actually, I'm not that messy, but then it is what it is. Accept it. I'm messy human being. No, I'm not messy. Nah, I take that back. Now this is going off some tangents, but anyways, I'll see you guys on Eid morning. Is it Eid? Eid morning, yeah, probably on Eid. Or if I have anything, today's Thursday, tomorrow is Friday, so I'll be fasting tomorrow when I'm tired. But in case I'm not tired, and in case I have anything to say on this vlog, I'm going to see you tomorrow. If not, I'll see you on Eid. Let me just show you the wear I'm wearing. I have it right here. Like, I literally have shown you guys all my Eid clothes before Eid. Plain black abaya. Can you see? Like, it literally has nothing. It's just plain. Anyways, I'll see you guys later.
الله أكبر الله أكبر الله أكبر لا إله إلا الله الله أكبر الله أكبر ولله الحمد الله أكبر الله أكبر الله أكبر لا إله إلا الله الله أكبر الله أكبر ولله الحمد الله أكبر الله أكبر.
Guys, we just got to the Eid. Like, I could not vlog anything before we got home. Like, we're so late. We're rushing out. But I'll see you. I'm hoping to make a proper vlog today. See my people, they're snapping pictures. I'll see you after Ido, yeah. Let me show you. Let me do a quick outing check. We just finished praying it, and in the true, I was supposed to vlog a proper vlog with this morning, but in true fashion, always a late comer. But there, anyways, we just finished praying it, and I didn't even like my makeup because everything was in a hurry. But we move. I'm going to snap pictures now, and yeah, I'll see you guys later. I don't know what of all this. Like the sun is not even out. Like literally, it's not. I think it's cloudy. Anyways, I'll snap the picture that I can snap, and we move. Yes, guys, let me just think about what happened though. That's how we're praying. This small boy, this tiny boy, he saw my camera. He was fascinated. He came, started operating the camera. You know the unfortunate part, the painful part. That's how the boy sat down on my bag. We're praying. And I was thinking, all my money. Yes, Mom. What do you think too? As I was saying, let me just tell you guys about what happened. Like it's very cloudy.